Hi everyone, this is Akiyo from the Essential Guide to Digital Jewelry Design. Today I'm going to show you how to create twisted wire bracelet with a hinge and magnet lock. Let's get started. I am in a front viewport and start with the ellipse from center command. Ellipse center 0, and I'm going to make an ellipse of the 62 by 52. This doesn't mean this is the inner diameter of the bracelet. We're going to make a helix and pipe around it, so actual size will be a little bit smaller. And then helix command. We're going to make a helix around this ellipse. So I'm going to choose this around curve option. Select the curve. So you need to play with those numbers. So I will go turn 16. This number points per turn is 60. And diameter is 3. And then I put my cursor on the right side of the ellipse. Then I will repeat the command. So same helix, but I'm going to make it to the different direction. So the same diameter, I put my cursor on the left. Here we go. Okay. And then we will pipe around it. So solid to pipe command. Go to the multiple options and select those two curves. And diameter is 3.5. Here we go. Then I'm going to make a hinge and a magnet lock. So go to the front viewport. I will change to the wireframe. Okay, the circle command. Change the layer to the curves. Create a hole that is 1.25 millimeters diameter. Then another circle from the quad point, which covers this bracelet. Then make offset. I will do 0.25 outside. Here we go. Okay. Then I'm going to make a surface from this curve. So I grab this extrusion dot with the control and shift for the both side. Here we go. And we're going to bouillon split this bracelet. So I would need surface here. Surface from corner to corner. Something like this. Then bouillon split. I need a bouillon union this to make it one object. Here we go. Split this bracelet with these two surfaces. Enter. Okay, now we split it, and I will delete those two surfaces. Okay, so now I'm going to make a hinge. So change it to the wireframe. And create the line from this right quad point of the ellipse, which is the center of this circle. Line from midpoint. And snap to the quad point. Hold then shift to go to Y direction. And split this line. And cutting object is this piece. Enter. Now I split it. And I would divide this line with the three pieces. So divide command. And select this line. and divide to 3 segments. Okay, then create a vertical plane. And from this point, hold on shift, go to the X direction and go up. And then I will slide this to make sure it covers this section. That looks good. And I will mirror this to the other side of the x-axis. I have shortcut MV, then boolean split this piece with those two surfaces. Okay. So now I'm going to move this piece to the different layer. And those two are bottom layer. Looks good. And then boolean union each section. So this and these are the same piece, and these pieces are the same piece. Here we go. Okay, don't forget to make a hole. So change to the wireframe and grab this a little circle and grab this cut line on a gumball. Hold on shift for the both sides. Now a hole is created throughout this solid. Now I turn off the top bracelet, maybe curve too. I am in a lock curve layer. I'm making a circle for the magnet and looking for the quad point. 2.5 millimeter in diameter. And then I am going to extrude this. Extrude down 2 millimeter. I grab the extrusion dot and 2. Here we go. So now I have a magnet here. So now I'm going to offset this curve. And I'm going to make a housing for this magnet and create a 0.1 millimeter offset for the total length. So I grab this extrusion dot, 2 millimeter, but the both sides. So hold on shift for the both side. Here we go. Then bring back the top piece and change to the ghosted mode. And boolean difference, those two bracelets with this cylinder. Great. Okay. This was a quick guide to how to create twisted wire hinged bracelet. And I'll show you how it works. Go to the front viewport. And I'm going to rotate this bracelet. I hope you liked today's tutorial. If you find this channel very helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you want us to create something specific, leave a comment description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.